In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use disappearing messages on WhatsApp Web. We'll walk through signing in on your computer and turning on the timer so messages automatically clean up after a set period, all without changing anything on your phone. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the web version. You'll land on a page that shows a large QR code and, in some regions, an option to log in with your phone number. To link the same account you use on your phone, grab your mobile device, open WhatsApp, and use the built-in QR scanner to scan the code on your computer screen. Keep your camera steady and centered until you see a confirmation. If you're offered the phone number login instead, follow the on-screen prompts to verify and continue. Once the code is scanned or verification is complete, you'll be logged in on the web. Now, choose the conversation where you want disappearing messages. Click an individual chat or a group chat in the sidebar. Remember, this setting is applied per chat, so you control it separately for each conversation. At the top of the chat window, click the contact's name or the group subject to open the info pane on the right. In that pane, scroll if needed, and find disappearing messages, then click it. If you see an informational notice about how this feature works, click Continue to proceed. You'll be presented with 3 timers: 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Pick the duration that fits the conversation. A shorter timer keeps things brief and tidy, while a longer one preserves context for a bit before clearing out. Your choice applies to new messages sent after you turn it on. Older messages in the chat won't be affected. When you're done, click the back arrow or the X to close the pane and apply the change. You should see a small banner in the chat confirming that disappearing messages are enabled with your selected timer. From this point forward, messages and media will automatically vanish after the period you chose. Keep in mind that recipients can still copy, forward, or screenshot content, and media saved to a device or cloud backup may remain elsewhere, so share thoughtfully. That's it. You've signed in to WhatsApp Web, opened the chat you want, enabled disappearing messages, and selected the right timer. Repeat these steps for any other conversation where you want messages to automatically clear.